Did you know that your carpet and furniture can trap dust mites, dirt, and bacteria over time? With COIT's advanced carpet and upholstery cleaning services, we can provide a deeper clean with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. First, we'll inspect any stains to determine if they can be removed. If we can't get the stain out, we'll tell you then and there. Using a truck-mounted cleaning system and home water supply, COIT's technicians tailor each treatment to match what is best for your particular carpet or upholstery. COIT's deep cleaning techniques and specialized cleaning products remove bacteria or pet stains, so your carpet looks clean as new. Cleaning your carpets and upholstery regularly protects your investments and provides you with carpets and furniture that are as clean as new. Stop wasting time on store-bought carpet shampoos or dirty rental equipment. COIT's deep down extraction and stain-resistant protective coating will keep your home looking plush and feeling fresh. Your carpet takes a beating, but so does your furniture. With COIT, you know you are getting the best cleaning services backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Call today to learn more.